Hey, I'm Carolyn and welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. And for today's video, it's the first impressions. I'm going to be reviewing and trying out the new ColourPop BFF Mascara. And I'm only going to be trying out the black shade because it's the only shade I have. I know they came out with a bunch of colorful ones, but I currently don't have those. I just have the black shades. So this is the one I'm going to be trying out for this video. And actually, I do want to try out the colorful ones, but truly on a daily basis we are going to use a black mascara. So I'm excited to see if this actually works and it volumizes. So before I begin the video, subscribe to my channel. That button should be right in this area, right? Chia. And please like this video. It helps my video get out there to other people and I greatly appreciate it. Also, follow me on my social media. Everything will be in my description box. Also, I shall put it here on the screen. And without any more ranting or any more talking, let's begin this video. Okay, so today is gonna be a very short video. I basically have all of my face done. The only thing I'm gonna add is the mascara. Okay, so I'm excited to try out this mascara. I actually got this in my ColourPop mystery bag, and that will be tomorrow's video, so make sure you check it out. You're gonna see all the goodies I got in there. It was a very exciting video, so stay tuned and check it out. I was so surprised to see it in the bag because this mascara actually launches tomorrow, January 24th. So I was like, I have a item that hasn't been launched yet. I feel so special. I feel like a beauty guru. Okay, so let's open this up, and this is in the shade Black on Black. Okay, so let's open it up. In the card for this mascara, the packaging is actually really cute. So this is what the packaging of the tube actually looks like, and I think it's really cute. But up close, there's a ColourPop there, volumizing mascara, and the cap of it says BFF. And then in the back it says Lash Check. And you know, in the bottom has the shade name. So let me read you the claims. So this mascara is supposed to instantly volumize, lift, and lengthen lashes. Okay. She's with you from thin to thick. So let's open her up. Let me get you up close to this. Ooh, that is a nice wand. That is a very nice wand there. You know, this actually reminds me of the Too Faced Born This Way mascara. Before we try it out, let me zoom you guys in. So I naturally have curled lashes. I never have to curl them, and they're pretty thick on their own. If you can kind of see them, can you see them? What if I look to the side? Don't look. Can you kind of see them? They're actually thick. For my lashes, I like a lot of volume, a lot of length. So let's see if this mascara works, because it has a lot of claims. Okay, so I'm gonna do one coat. So that is one coat of mascara, and compared to this one, look, that looks pretty good. That looks really nice. So let me go for the second coat. And I like to really get the mascara in there. Look at that. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. I'm gonna go for a third coat. Okay, so these are my lashes with 3 coats of mascara. What do you guys think? I think I'm really loving this mascara. I'm like, wow. 3 coats, and look at the length. You see that? You see the difference? It's like, I haven't seen any fallout from it yet, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. Let me see how it works on the bottom lashes. So these are my bottom lashes. This is one eye completely coated with mascara, and this is the other eye. I can definitely see a difference. Like, wow, this might be my new favorite mascara. I love how my lashes look. And even though I coated them 3 times, they are not clumpy. This wand is really nice to separate them too. and I definitely see some volume. I definitely see some length. I'm really liking this mascara. So these are my eyes coated, and I'm loving this mascara. This could be your everyday mascara. A little bit of concealer on, a little bit of blush and highlight, mascara, and you're out the door. I forgot to mention, this mascara is $8. For $8, this mascara is amazing. I love it. So overall, I recommend this mascara. The minute it comes out, I suggest you get this one. I'm really excited to try out the colorful ones, so when it comes out, I'm definitely picking those up. And that's all I have to say about this mascara. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.